Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the cutting edge of electric vehicles. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Cupra Born, a compact sporty hatchback that combines stunning design, premium comfort, thrilling performance and smart pricing in one exciting package. This facelifted model refines it with updates, building on its shared platform with the Volkswagen ID.3. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The 2026 Cupra Born features a sharp nose front end with a parametric grille that enhances aerodynamics and efficiency. The triangular matrix LED headlights are standout, adapting to traffic conditions and putting on a light show upon unlocking. Illuminated door handles and the sculpted body sides display signature copper accents along the skirts. New alloy wheels from 19 to 20 inches with wider tires for excellent grip. The rear has a light bar, illuminated three-dimensional Cupra logo. The restyled bumper incorporates a trapezoidal diffuser. It measures just over 14 feet in length with short overhangs and a long wheelbase for a sporty compact profile that's practical for everyday use. Moving on to the interior, Cupra has made significant upgrades. High-quality materials, with 75% recycled content from plastic bottles and fishing nets. The dual-screen setup includes a 10.25-inch digital instrument panel and a 12.9-inch touchscreen running Android Automotive system. Physical buttons have returned to the steering wheel, providing dedicated controls for driving modes. The seats are high-bolstered and sculpted for support, heated, sports buckets and VZ. Copper accents tie into the brand identity. It seats 5 adults and offers a 385-liter trunk that expands when the rear seats fold. Phone key and vehicle to load add convenience. Performance is the area where the Cupra Born really stands out as a true sporty electric hatchback. Powered by rear-wheel drive on the MEB platform, it offers instant torque and highly engaging handling. Several variants cater to different drivers. The Base Plus model comes with a 58 kWh battery and approximately 190 horsepower, delivering up to 280 miles of WLTP range. The Endurance version upgrades to a 79 kWh battery and 231 horsepower for an impressive 372 miles. The flagship VZ model uses the same large battery but boosts output to 326 horsepower and 545 Nm of torque, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds, a top speed of 124 miles per hour, and still about 366 miles of range. DC fast charging reaches 185 kilowatts on the larger batteries, allowing a 100-mile addition in roughly 15 minutes or a 10 to 80% charge in 25 minutes. Features like one-pedal driving with regenerative paddles, launch control, and a synthesized sound in higher models add excitement. The handling is sharp and composed thanks to adaptive dampers and wider tires, positioning it as one of the most enjoyable EVs to drive without compromising daily comfort. Finally, on the pricing front, the 2026 Cupra Born is not yet officially available in the United States. However, in European markets it provides great value, starting at the equivalent of around $45,000 for the entry model and rising to about $57,000 for the top VZ trim. This positions it competitively against other electric hatchbacks, and when you consider the low running costs of electric power along with potential tax incentives and good resale value, it becomes a compelling option for those seeking style, space, performance, and efficiency in one package. There you have it, the full review of the 2026 Cupra Born. If this sporty EV appeals to you, tell me in the comments below which variant you would go for and why. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to EV Horizon for more electric vehicle reviews, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Drive electric and stay horizon focused.